I'm Samantha Dowle. I'm Assistant Dean for Bakery and Patisserie at the College of Food and Hospitality Management at University College Birmingham. We run a foundation degree in Bakery and Patisserie Technology, which starts at level 4 and level 5, and the students can graduate with a foundation degree. There's hands-on experience in patisserie, bakery, science, food safety and hygiene. They can choose managing for profit or diet nutrition as an option currently. For higher level entrance, we have the BSc honours, which the students study exactly the same modules, and then they've got the level 6 option. We're the largest and best equipped bakery college in the country. We've got well qualified and very dedicated staff who've worked throughout craft bakery, manufacturing and patisserie restaurants, hotels. We've got physical and microbiological laboratories where we use those to link the practical with the science aspects, so the students get a good rounded experience. We do encourage students to participate in a work placement or get a part-time job with bakery industry while they're studying here. So it's not just the qualification that they're achieving. We do competitions, so our national competition at the Alliance of Bakery Students and Trainees. All the colleges in England, Ireland and Scotland participate. There's about 300 students in total. And we take probably about 50 of those with us each June. We've got links with a lot of major manufacturing companies and links throughout the country. A lot of our graduates are now out there and they still come back and network with us, which is fantastic to see.